First of all, we need to work out the frequency density of each of these 5 results. So to do that, I'm going to add an extra column. To find that frequency density, we need to divide the frequency by the class width, which in this case is 10. So in this case, this gives us a fairly easy result of 0.8. And if you work the rest out, you get. So we need to plot these results on our histogram. And there's the completed histogram. So in part B, Manuel is going to select a flight which was 25 minutes or less. So he's selecting a flight which is to the left of this line. So what are the number of flights involved? Well, the number of flights involved will be this area plus this area plus this area. So it's the first 3 numbers here. And this turns out to be 40. So, as I say, he's choosing from 40 flights, and we need to know the probability that any of that 40 was late by 5 minutes or less. Well, the 5-minute point is here. So the frequency we're talking about is this area here, which is half the area in our first histogram bar, which gives an answer of 4, half of 8. So the probability of one of the 40 flights he's choosing from is late by 5 minutes or less is equal to 4 over 40, which is equal to 1 over 10, or 10%, if you like. And that will be your answer.